Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore purchases in Mortal Kombat. If you reinstalled Mortal Kombat or switched to a new device and your previously purchased characters, skins, or in-game content are missing, don't worry. First of all, launch open the Mortal Kombat game on your device and wait for it to fully load to the main menu. From the main menu, make sure that you are already signed into the same account used for the original purchase. If you have used Google Play account, then make sure to do that, whereas you can also go ahead and log into your WB account. Whichever account that you've previously signed in, make sure to use the same credential to log in. So, from the main menu, go to the bottom left and tap on the settings button. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down and look for the restore purchase button. Tap on it and wait for a few seconds. The game will check your account and automatically re-enable eligible content such as purchased characters, skins, premium items, DLC contents where supported. After the process is complete, you can close off and reopen Mortal Kombat again. This will refresh your account and ensure all restored items appear correctly. So that is how you can easily restore purchases in Mortal Kombat quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.